I'm so hungry. My stomach is rumbling.
Me too, Daddy. Let's get ice cream. Yay!
Sounds like a plan.
Look, I bet they have yummy food there. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Sounds good. Let's go.
I'm in.
Look, I'm the chopstick master.
Yay, do it again.
You're a natural.
What a performance.
Let's go.
Okay, everyone ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Me too. Let's go.
What a beautiful drive, everyone.
Wow, look at the water.
It's magical, isn't it?
Yeah.
Welcome, everyone.
It looks lovely.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah, and I'm so hungry.
It looks wonderful.
Wow, so many treats.
And cakes too.
Let's sit down.
Wow, look at this.
What is it, Mommy? Huh? I don't get it.
It's a magical menu. It means we can choose anything.
This one, the giant burger.
Yes, and fries.
Sounds perfect.
It's settled then.
And here comes the steam.
Wow, it's here.
It smells so good. I can't wait to try it. Dad, today I'm enjoy this moment.
This is delicious.
It really is.
So good. Yeah. Yummy sushi.
Wow, that's impressive.
You're a natural, sweetie. This ramen is awesome. Wow, enjoy eating.
Yes, Mom. I'm full. Me too.
Excuse me, waiter?
Yes, how can I help?
We'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice. I'll be right back.
Yay! Awesome. This cake is the best.
I'm glad you're all enjoying it. Excuse me, could we get the bill, please? Certainly, sir. Thank you. Right away. Here you are. Thank you.
Waiter, please.
Certainly, ma'am. Here is your bill. All right, let's go.
Sounds good.
Yay! I'm a little tired.
Let's get you home.
Oh no, my scarf! Where is it?
It's okay, we'll find it.
I just had it. Mom?
Don't worry. I believe this is yours, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Of course, enjoy your meal. Thank you so much.
Our pleasure. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
All right, let's head back.
Yes, let's go home.
Okay, Daddy. I'm ready.
I'm so happy.
Me too. Cheers.
Let's enjoy this moment. Yes, I'm content.